Yes.
各位，我跟你们说，我要做一件我人生中没有做过这么疯狂的事。我明天要从纽约飞去 Texas surprise 我们家的 Z 先生。Oh my god！ 你可以看得出来，我有点紧张，有一点兴奋，有一点不知所措。OK， 明天见。
We would like to be the first ones to welcome you to Dallas Fort Worth.
各位，我到德州了。我现在准备要坐大众运输到一间咖啡厅跟 Tamara 见面，准备晚上今天的突击。Hi, I don't have any bag. Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Actually coming to surprise my boyfriend. He's playing at the symphony. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice. Man, I wish I had a girlfriend that would do that.
Find my way to you. Yeah.
Guys, 我现在终于到了咖啡厅，然后 here's my spy master, Tamara, right? Yes. I'm so happy to meet her. She's so nice to arrange everything, and we'll see how it goes. I don't think I can do without her, so I really thank her and thank Zing for introducing us. Hi, Zing. Hi, Zing. All right, we're gonna talk plans now. So, see you later. Hello?
Hi, Ira, where are you?
I'm currently at a coffee shop with a friend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Then we talk later, okay?
Yeah, later?
Do you have a concert tonight?
I don't, but I'm with a friend now.
Oh, okay, I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Have a fun time.
Yeah, okay. Have a good concert.
Thank you, bye.
Okay, bye. 各位，我先跟你们说，我到了音乐厅了。Tamara 刚刚把我在这边放下来，先给大家看一下我们的 Z 先生。今天晚上音乐会，然后给大家看一下这边的音乐厅。音乐厅还没有开，我决定先在附近走一走。我希望不要这边被他撞见，有点紧张。我看到 Z 先生了。He has no idea here. 我现在躲在一间咖啡厅里面，我对面就可以看得到音乐厅的入口。等一下要进去买票。快进去了呢。That it might be better if I can sit on left side of stage. Is it okay? Maybe not the last one, but maybe closer so I can see him a little bit better. 天哪，哇，我坐的有点前面呢。OK， 来看一下这个画好大。天哪，好期待哦！各位，我进来了，好期待，等一下听他的演出，一定会很棒的。 Spy Master.
Is that the last name was called?
Huang, Huang.
Oh, he's my mom got you right.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Is he walking? Oh, I think he's coming. Oh, is he inside already?
Yes? What are you doing here? Oh my god.
Why is this person taking
What?
Congratulations!
Oh my goodness. Wait, why are you
You
here?
sounded so good.
Why are you here?
I saw a shot.
Wait, you're not. What?
I flew here.
You did?
Yeah.
Why? That's
I
crazy.
wanted to hear you. And I have my Spy Master today.
Oh.
Tamara, do you know her?
I don't think so. Oh, so that's why you're filming. I see.
Oh my god.
You're
I'm
here?
not a stalker, I promise.
Are you off tomorrow? Yeah. Oh, okay. It's a little crazy. That's a bit crazy.
Not going to the gym?
What the heck? What are you doing here?
Can I give you a hug?
Yes, how are you doing? I haven't seen you forever.
I know.
Yeah, I have
You
no,
guys are-
I had no idea.
I
that
forgot,
she
you guys
was
are
gonna be
together.
here.
Holy shit.
But I came here. Can I film you or you're
Yes,
okay?
yes, of course, of course.
I saw Kevin.
Hi.
He's 他在台湾很有名啊。
没有啦。
I came here today. And he
Okay.
has,
Surprising. I had no idea.
Oh, really?
no
Oh, that's
idea.
very
It's a
sweet.
bit crazy.
I just want to say hi.
Good to see you.
I was like, Kevin is here.
Yeah.
So what do you want? What do you want
so
to ask
tell me,
me?
when did you decide to come?
Are you still surprised?
I'm very surprised.
Well, do you want to take a guess?
Did you decide yesterday evening?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, when did you decide? Just tell me.
Last week.
Last week, okay.
Yeah.
And then what airline did you fly?
American Airlines.
And then how did you pay? Did you pay with cash or with
I
points?
pay with cash.
Was it expensive?
It was expensive.
Oh,
Yeah.
Why did you do that?
Because
And then you took an Uber from the airport here, right?
yeah,
It's
because
also expensive.
actually it wasn't that bad.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at this
Isn't
place.
this a cool
This is so cool.
town? This is a really cool
Wow.
place. Fort Worth is fun.
It is cute at night. Everyone is
Well,
out.
Saturday night it's very, very lively.
Vibrant. Let's film
They're
right
doing
here.
a photo shoot. Look.
Okay, let's just do a quick one.
Oh, but look, they're doing a photo shoot.
Oh, here.
It's so cool.
Well, we can do a quick photo here too.
Okay. I'll take a photo tomorrow in the daylight.
I like it night. Is that regular in Texas? Is that always happen every night? I've never seen that before.
It's not uncommon.